Hi guys, cocktails, my style. Ranson, your host for the day. So today we're going to take basic, simple ingredients and turn it into an excellent cocktail. Well, if you know that we have been using a lot of home ingredients, this one also is a lot to do with easy, accessible ingredients. So today we'll be using watermelon, Indian basil, also known as tulsi. In case if you guys have been following, all the cocktails which we have been doing so far can and could be made by anyone at home. So like we said, we're going to take simple ingredients and turn them into some outstanding cocktails. So here we're going to use is watermelon. So I'm going to take around about 4 to 5 chunks of watermelon. You can be generous here, depends on how big your chunks are. To it I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar, and now I'm going to squeeze 2 lime wedges, and I'm going to muddle it. So I'm going to exert pressure on the melon and just a little on the lime. Now that it looks good, clear, like we know watermelon is 92% water, so it's an easy thing to muddle. Now I'm going to fill it up with ice. Not fill it up exactly, maybe 3 cubes or even one more, 4. So it actually depends on your glass size, is your ice. Now I'm going to use tulsi, which is known, also called as Indian basil. Give it a nice tap, drop it in. Now some spirit to it. So this time I'll be using vodka, that's 50 ml. Now that I've done with the vodka, I'm going to give it a nice stir. Now, if you want, you can stop it here, but then I have some space for ice. And I'll add another 3 cubes of ice to it. For garnish, I'm going to put a watermelon. Ladies and gentlemen, this one, vodka melon. I hope you guys go ahead, make this at home. You can make it, no rocket science required. So 3 simple ingredients and boom. So cheers. Like always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We've got lots and lots of cocktails coming up your way. Cheers guys, have a great day.